Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever had one of those days where you're busy from morning to night? Classes, assignments, messages, scrolling, stress, and then at the end of the day you sit on your bed and think, why do I still feel behind? Yeah, not tired, not lazy, just behind. I've been there. And if this keeps happening, this video might be uncomfortable, but it could change everything. Here's the harsh truth no one tells students and young adults. Being busy does not mean you're moving forward. You can be busy all day and still be stuck in the same place for years. School teaches you to stay occupied. Social media rewards you for staying distracted. And society claps when you say, "I'm so busy." But no one asks the dangerous question, busy doing what? Let me give you an example. You wake up late, rush to class, half listen, come home tired, open your laptop, study for 20 minutes, check your phone, reply to messages, watch one YouTube video, which turns into 5. Now it's night, you feel exhausted, but what actually moved your life forward today? Exactly. This is why burnout hits so hard. Not because you're working too much, but because your effort isn't paying you back. Your brain is doing a lot, but your future isn't changing. That creates this silent anxiety, this feeling of, I'm trying, so why am I still failing? And slowly, confidence drops, motivation disappears, you start thinking something's wrong with you. But listen carefully. The problem isn't you, it's how you're spending your energy. Here's a rule that changed my life. Motion feels productive. Progress actually changes things. Motion is answering emails. Progress is learning a high-income skill. Motion is rewriting notes. Progress is actually understanding and applying them. Motion is planning your life for hours. Progress is doing the one uncomfortable task you're avoiding. Busy people live in motion. Successful people protect progress. And here's the scary part. Motion feels safer than progress because progress requires focus, and focus forces you to face your weaknesses. Let's be honest, you don't avoid important work because you're lazy. You avoid it because it's hard. You might fail. You might realize you're not as good as you thought. So instead, your brain chooses easy wins. Checking notifications, cleaning your desk, watching productive videos. Your brain says, at least we're doing something. But deep down, you know you're just staying busy to avoid feeling uncomfortable. And nothing changes until this part changes. All right, let's fix this. Practically. Not motivation, not hustle, just real changes. Shift number 1. Define one meaningful win per day. Not 10 tasks, not a long to-do list, just one thing that actually moves your life forward. Examples: finish one assignment properly, study one concept deeply, apply for one opportunity, practice one skill for 45 minutes. If the day ends and that one thing is done, the day was a win. This alone reduces burnout. Shift number 2. Separate busy time and build time. Here's what most people do wrong. They mix everything together. Studying while checking messages, working while scrolling, thinking while multitasking. Instead, create build time. 30 to 90 minutes, phone away, no notifications, no multitasking. This is where progress lives. You don't need more hours. You need protected hours. Shift number 3. Measure progress, not effort. Stop asking, how tired am I? Start asking, what changed because of today? Did your skills improve? Did your understanding grow? Did your future self benefit? Effort without direction equals exhaustion. Effort with clarity equals confidence. Let me say something important. You're not behind because you're stupid. You're not behind because you're lazy. You're behind because no one taught you how to aim your energy. And the fact that you're watching this, that already means you care. You don't need a perfect routine. You don't need motivation every day.
You just need to stop confusing movement with meaning. So remember this: busy doesn't equal progress. Progress comes from focused discomfort. One meaningful win beats a full, fake productive day. If this video hit a little too close to home, that's good. That's awareness waking up. Tonight, don't promise a new life. Just choose one real action for tomorrow. And if this helped you feel understood, like the video, subscribe, and comment "progress" so I know you're choosing differently. You're not losing at life. You're just ready to play it smarter.